Hello guys, welcome to this lecture Relation between Einstein coefficients. In this lecture, we derive the relation between Einstein coefficients A and B. Let N1 be the number of atoms in state 1 and N2 be the number of atoms in state 2 having energy E1 and E2 respectively. For absorption, the atoms in energy state 1 absorb photons and give rise to absorption per unit time as N1 P12 equal to N1 B12 U nu. This 12 indicates the transition of atoms from state 1 to state 2, and this B12 is called the Einstein coefficients for absorption or stimulated absorption. For emission, the atoms in energy state 2 can return to state 1 through emission, and this emission may be spontaneous or stimulated. So, this emission per unit time can be given by N2 P21 equal to N2 P21 spontaneous plus P21 stimulated, and which is equal to A21. This P21 spontaneous is equal to A21 and this P21 stimulated is equal to B21 U nu. We have discussed this in previous lecture, and here this 21 indicates the transition of atoms from state 2 to state 1. A21 is known as the spontaneous Einstein coefficient of spontaneous emission, and B21 is the Einstein coefficients of stimulated emission. In thermal equilibrium, the emission and absorption become equal. So, from equation 1 and equation 2, N1 P12 equal to N2 P21. Now we put the value of N1 P12 and N2 P21 from equation 1st and equation 2nd. In equation 1st, N1 P12 equal to N1 B12 U nu, and from equation 2, N2 P21 equal to N2 A21 plus B21 U nu. After putting these values, we calculate the value of energy density U nu, which is equal to N2 A21 upon N1 B12 minus N2 B21. Now we take common B21 N2 from this denominator. So, inside this bracket N1 B12 upon N2 B21 minus 1. N2 is cancelled with N2. So, U nu becomes A21 upon B21 in bracket N1 B12 upon N2 B21 minus 1. This is equation number 3rd. And according to the Boltzmann distribution law, the ratio of number of atoms of two levels at temperature T is given by N1 upon N2 equal to exponential E2 minus E1 upon KT, and we know here E2 minus E1 equal to H nu, energy of the photon. So, N1 upon N2 equal to exponential H nu by KT. Now we put this value of N1 upon N2 in equation 3rd. So, U nu becomes A21 upon B21 B12 upon B21 exponential H nu by KT minus 1. So, this is equation number 5, and we know that according to the Planck's radiation formula, the energy density U nu equal to 8 pi h nu cube upon c cube into 1 upon exponentially h nu by KT minus 1. Suppose this is equation number 6. If we compare the equation 5 with the equation 6, then B12 upon B21 is equal to 1, means B12 equal to B21, and this A21 upon B21 equal to 8 pi h nu cube by c cube, where c is the velocity of light and nu is the frequency of photon, h is the Planck constant. So, from this equation 8, we can say that A21 upon B21 is proportional to the nu cube. What is A21? A21 is the Einstein coefficient of spontaneous emission, and B21 is the Einstein coefficient of stimulated emission. So the ratio of spontaneous emission and stimulated emission is directly proportional to nu cube. Nu is the frequency of photon, and we know that the energy difference of the two levels E2 minus E1 is equal to h nu. So this ratio is directly proportional to the energy difference of two levels. It means that at thermal equilibrium, the probability of spontaneous emission increases rapidly with the energy difference between two states. Frequently asked questions or exam questions. What are the Einstein coefficients A and B? Establish a relation between them. Second is the what are the Einstein coefficients? Obtain a relation between them. Also discuss the essential conditions for laser action.